I'm really freaking bored. I said freaking instead of effing because that's not the word to say. Well, I have something to say to my friend Diamond. So I have to say to you, Diamond. Oh, and to Tati. Oh, I have something for Tati. I have something for Tati. Tatiana, Titiana, so soon. Or tit, freaking tit. Something to say to you. I have something for you and your little heat. That has something. I have something for you, and you won't like it. I guarantee you won't like it. But I love it because it bothers you. Hold on just a second. It's gonna take this long. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. She's gonna hate it. She's gonna hate it. She's gonna hate it. She's gonna hate it. I know. Hey, what it do? It's your boy T-Wayne. I'm in the state with my bro Lil Ronnie. We got that Dallas Maverick swag on deck. We finna breeze through these playoffs. I'm sorry, Heat doesn't have a song today. Do they? No, they don't. I'm just gonna sit this here and let you listen to it while I talk about the Heat. Chris Bosh should be the first. You just sit there and wait. LeBron, he just sinks under pressure. And Wade, he's beautiful, but they cannot expect him to do all of that by himself. They need a little help, and what they lack, I don't know what. But Dirk Nowitzki did that to him. Just waxed their ass, just up their ass. But Tati, better luck next time. That's all I have to say. It's Dallas Mavericks. To Tatiana Sophie and Diamond, just shut up. Bye.